Welcome to our Small Telco Big Wins series. In the last two episodes, we concentrated on what happens when your customers are not happy with your network. We explored how operations insights can aid in troubleshooting for network operations, but can also be used to enhance your customer service teams with detailed and proactive information about your customer when they call with an issue. Today, we're shifting gears to discuss monetization strategies that can propel your business forward. So let's dive in. Small Telco Big Wins, Episode 4, New Ways to Win with Upsell Strategies. My name is Zaid Ali, and I'm a Senior Director of Product Marketing at Sandvine. Life isn't about solving problems. There should be some fun and, yes, opportunities to grow and make money from your existing customer base. Well, you as a service provider should be able to find creative ways to upsell to your customers. As a smaller telco, you have a unique relationship with every customer, knowing them intimately. However, gaining a clear view of each customer's experience on your network can be challenging. And we all know that's easier said than done, because with today's networks, you simply can't see what the customer is going through. And as a result, any advantages that you had as a smaller telco are gone. But as you know by now, Sandvine restores this visibility. And with its AppQoE technology, Sandvine gives you the ability to not only understand what's happening on your network, but how your customers are interacting with your network or customer behaviors, and how they feel about your network or customer sentiment. So we're not bringing you back to the old days where you can only see what's happening. We're adding a little extra mustard on the side and getting you new, relevant information that can propel your upsell strategies, something that you otherwise wouldn't have. So consider your advantages restored. So how would this work with your upsell strategy? Well, I want to keep this video short, so I'll just give you 3. Let's call it top 3 tips for your upsell strategy. Here we go. Number 1, customer segmentation. By using Sandvine's insights, you can identify heavy users and categorize them like gamers, workday users, and families. This allows you to tailor specific plans such as VIP packages, directly targeting their needs and enhancing their experiences. And in some cases, if you have a bundle package for work applications, for example, your ability to apply policies improves tremendously, allowing you to do traffic shaping on the network without impacting your customer's experience. Number 2, exclusive offers. With the detailed data from Sandvine, you'll know exactly which customers might benefit from special promotions or perhaps a surprise loyalty discount. It's a proactive way to say thank you and strengthen loyalty. Or maybe you want to create a targeted promotion based on the application your customers are using. Our third strategy involves technology upgrades. Introduce your customers to the latest in tech, new routers, new devices, home automation solutions, and more. With Sandvine's contextual information, you can understand what devices your customers are using, such as mobile devices, laptops, and IoT devices. By knowing what applications they are running, you can also start to group these customers and to determine if they would be a good candidate for new bundles, like a home automation premium plan, or a stay on top of technology VIP plan, or a partner advocate plan where they get the latest upgrades, and so on. Sandvine's network behavioral data and sentiment data can give you an advantage over big telco and keep your customers sticky, and create new revenue opportunities for your customer. That's a top 3 list for you, but I have a surprise for you. I've added 2 more tips that I believe are super helpful and obtainable using Sandvine's insights. I'm not going to lie. With Sandvine, you're going to see your customers' data with so much more clarity. So if you have a one-off case where your customers have a single office or a satellite office or a single IoT device, or your community has a big concentration of the older generation where you don't need a full-scale, drawn-out plan, then you can be flexible and offer new plans. And we all know that this goes a long way for everyone. It allows you as an organization to feel like you're contributing to your community, and it creates great loyalty with your customers. Second bonus tip, be proactive. Along the same lines of being flexible and number two's exclusive offers, you may have a handful of customers where your Sandvine data is telling you that they are in need of some assistance. These customers might be in need of a scale back plan, or they may be an extra important customer who have shown great loyalty and are excellent paying customers. Why not take the time and call them yourself? You may see that they are pushing the limits of their plan, and they may be a great candidate for a modem or a device upgrade. So why not bite the bullet and upgrade them for free of charge? So how are we upselling in this instance? You're not, but you've created a loyal customer now. These actions build affinity towards your brand and increase the customer lifetime value, or CLV, ultimately boosting your revenue. And there you have it, new ways to create revenue opportunities by doing what's most rewarding, showing your customers that you truly have their back. All from focusing on Sandvine's data insights, usage and behavior patterns, and sentiment scoring. By implementing these strategies, you can not only boost your revenue, but also build stronger, long-term relationships with your customers. So join us as we continue our Small Telco Big Wins series. We will explore in more details how you can leverage Sandvine's data visualization tools and built-in workflows to win with the best services. We have a couple more episodes with more ideas on how you can win with these best services, similar to what was shown today. So that was my 2 cents, and as always, we appreciate your time. Thank you.